Hey everybody, welcome to Riders in the Storm, Season 2, Episode 8. Yeah, we've got donkeys out here. It's pretty cool. Watching them come in a little herd every now and then, almost all the way up to the camp. Anyway, I saw these as I was going down to pick up the mail at the Christian Center. And we're going to talk about solar, and we're going to talk about the LTVA here at Imperial Dam. We'll see you on the other side. Okay, so this is Imperial Dam, the LTVA visitors area, and they actually have bulletin boards down here where you can sell stuff, and that's what's going on here, and also a CB club and emergency team they put together every year, but you sometimes can find good deals on that bulletin board. And then I'm going to walk over here real quick because they have bathrooms, his and her bathrooms, standard in a lot of areas, but they also have these showers, so you could basically take a shower. I'm going to reach over and push the button. There you go. Now you can see the shower coming on. They have that as well. So these are just things I wanted to show you, bring to your attention about staying here at Imperial Dam. And this week we're going to get on the roof and put up a couple more panels. They're doing better on the ground, and you really, before I go too far, can't do that without mentioning my coach, which I call my coach from I Go Where I'm Towed. He came over and got involved, and we can't say enough about these guys helping out. Thanks, guys, for all you do. This is the outside of the rig. This is a Montana fifth wheel, and you take this covering off. This is underneath the bay. And there's these wires down here, and I'm going to explain to you here in just a second. This is how you access them right underneath the rig. It comes down right here. This is how they had it. But when you buy a Montana fifth wheel that's already prepped for solar, it'll come down. And what we found is it just kind of setting right here. And two heavy wires that are together like this are the ones that come down from the roof, and these go to the front underneath, tied in right there. And this is the top of the roof again. So there's only really two wires coming in. There's no way to get that. Got all glued up and covered up there. So those two access wires come down through the outside of the bay into the bottom of the bay, which you see right there. We thought we could just slide some more cables down, but we actually ended up using those same wires, and we added an additional 600 watts. This is us like cartoon characters, the Keystone Cops on the roof, putting two more panels up. Again, adding another 600 watts to the 1200 that we already have. Wasn't that difficult. A little concerned about it getting a lot of wind, because we do get a lot of wind out here, but I'm also kind of confident that it'll be okay. And 1800 total watts is really going to help us when we're away from here, out on the road where the sun, because that's what we need to understand about solar. The time of the year that it's getting, this is us putting the other one back in place, fastening it down, because underneath that one is where the wires come through. But at any rate, it's seasonal, and most of the people down here really have their panels tilted to the south so that they can get the maximum amount of sun. We are about to pick up more panels, I know, as crazy as that sounds, and dividing up, that's what we've decided to do, those from when we're on the road, from those who are, what we use when we're down here at the LTVA. So we're going to get another about 1200 watts on the ground to help us out down here. Okay, y'all do get some comments, a lot of comments, not so much on my YouTube channel or this channel as much as talking to other family members. And they talk about this being a place where homeless people come because it's so inexpensive to park down here for 5 or 6 months. But I just wanted to give you some pictures of different rigs that are down here, the diversity of different types of people from all over America. My goodness, I talked to somebody from New York one day, and Montana, Oregon. These rigs come down here from all over the place, and there's a wide range of types, sizes, shapes, I'm always in awe of the different setups that people have and the toys they bring down for their razors, so their little four-wheelers, their canoes because of the reservoir, some ham radio operators, a lot of different styles, a lot of different rigs, and a lot of really small ones and a lot of really big ones. So this is just some B footage of some pictures I've taken as I've gone out and about. Some of these, like this particular one right now, they have two vehicles, or they have two units. One they keep down at the Christian Center for like $25 a month out of season. So I give you an idea of the types of vehicles, and some of them are very big and unusual. There's a schoolie and some really small, unusual, cute looking ones, like, well, that one. I don't know the person who lives in there, but again, we're here by a reservoir, and this is it, and they have taken a lot of water out of it. I just noticed today when I was out for my walk that it's back up all the way into those trees right there, that shrubbery, and the water goes, I guess, down into around Yuma, and as you're driving, like this is on the way down to Yuma to go to like Wally World, Walmart, or one of the other stores down there, and this is what it looks like, planted everywhere, lettuce, whatever else is they grow down here all over the side of the road. So as I wrap up this particular vlog one more time, I wanted to show you that's actually the dump where people dump their sewer, where those rigs are, trash, of course, and then we have water, which you can get down here pretty easily. And I started with donkeys, and I'm going to end with donkeys because, you know, this is the LTVA in Imperial Dam, Yuma. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you soon.